Ever wondered how a simple grain of sand can transform into a stunning aquatic sanctuary? Picture this: a barren stretch of beach, sun-kissed and windswept. But beneath that surface lies potential. Potential for life, for beauty, for homes. Let's dive into the incredible journey from sand to sanctuary. It all begins with the foundation. Sand, those tiny particles that slip through our fingers like time, is the crucial building block. But not just any sand, special sand. It needs to be clean, free of pollutants, and ideally, it has to come from a source that ensures the health of the surrounding ecosystem. This is where the magic starts. Once the sand is sourced, it's time for the architects, the coral polyps. These tiny creatures are the real builders of our aquatic homes. When coral polyps settle onto the sandy seabed, they begin to secrete calcium carbonate, which hardens and forms a structure known as the coral reef. Can you imagine? One little polyp can create an entire underwater city. Now let's fast forward a bit. As these corals grow, they attract a whole range of marine life. Fish, crustaceans, and even larger predators find refuge among the corals. It's like a bustling neighborhood where everyone has a role to play. The coral provides shelter, and in return, the fish help keep the coral clean. It's a beautiful relationship, a dance of life right beneath the waves. But wait, there's a twist in our story. Not all sandy shores are blessed with the right conditions for coral reefs to thrive. Some areas face challenges like pollution, rising sea temperatures, and ocean acidification. This is where human innovation comes into play. Scientists and conservationists are teaming up to create artificial reefs. Using materials like concrete, old tires, or even sunken ships, they're giving nature a helping hand. These man-made structures mimic the natural environment, providing shelter and attracting fish. In some places, they're even building whole underwater parks, turning barren seabeds into vibrant ecosystems. Imagine diving into the ocean and discovering a whole new world, all because of a little creativity and a lot of care for our planet. Now, let's talk about the community that forms around these aquatic homes. The coral reefs aren't just hubs of biodiversity, they're also vital for human life. They protect coastlines from erosion, support fishing industries, and even boost tourism. A healthy reef means a thriving community. It's a win-win scenario. But here's the kicker. These reefs are facing unprecedented threats. Climate change is warming our oceans, leading to coral bleaching, where the corals lose their color and become vulnerable. Overfishing and pollution are also taking their toll. So what can we do? Awareness is key. Supporting sustainable practices, reducing plastic use, and advocating for marine conservation can make a real difference. Every little action counts. It's like dropping a pebble into water. The ripples spread far and wide. As we journey deeper, we realize that the story doesn't end with just building these aquatic homes. It's about nurturing and protecting them. We've seen successful restoration projects where damaged reefs have been revived, showcasing the resilience of nature when given a chance. Imagine a future where our oceans are teeming with life, where sandy shores are bustling with vibrant coral reefs, and where communities thrive alongside these underwater sanctuaries. That's the hope we're working towards. So the next time you walk along the beach, feel the sand between your toes, remember that beneath those grains lies a world of possibilities. From sand to sanctuary, it's a journey of transformation, collaboration, and hope. Let's cherish and protect these aquatic homes, ensuring they continue to thrive for generations to come. Because in this story, every grain of sand plays a part, and every action matters. Together, we can build a brighter future for our oceans. You ever thought about the magic of turning a barren stretch of sand into a vibrant aquatic sanctuary? Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me take you on a journey that shows just how it's done. Imagine standing on a sun-baked beach, grains of sand slipping through your fingers. It's quiet, just the sound of the waves lapping at the shore. But beneath that calm surface lies a world of potential. There's a method to the madness, a vision that brings life where there once was none. First, we start with the basics. What's needed to create an aquatic home? Water is obviously key, But it's not just any water. It has to be clean, clear, and teeming with nutrients. So, we dive into the process of water filtration using natural materials. Sand, gravel, and even plants help create a balanced ecosystem. Think of it as Mother Nature's very own water purifier. Next up, we've got to think about the structure of this new home. Ever heard of bioengineering? It's where science meets nature. We use organic materials like bamboo and recycled plastics to construct robust frameworks that mimic natural habitats. These structures provide shelter for fish and marine life, creating an inviting environment. It's like building a tiny underwater city, complete with cozy nooks and crannies. Now, let's chat about the inhabitants. You can't just throw fish into the water and hope for the best. Nope. We have to choose species that can thrive together. It's about balance. You want a mix of colors, sizes, and types. Think of it like creating a work of art. Some will be fast swimmers, darting around, while others prefer to lounge on the ocean floor. Speaking of art, let's not forget about coral. Coral reefs are the jewels of the ocean, and they need a proper foundation to flourish. We use coral fragments and nurture them until they grow into a full-blown reef, serving as a home for countless marine creatures. It's a waiting game, but it's worth every second. As the aquatic home begins to take shape, we introduce plants, seagrasses, kelp, you name it. These green wonders not only beautify the space, but they also act as a natural filtration system, absorbing excess nutrients and providing oxygen. They're like the lungs of our aquatic sanctuary, breathing life into the water. And here's where it gets really exciting. Once our ecosystem is stable, we can start to incorporate technology. Imagine underwater drones monitoring water quality or sensors that track the health of the coral. These tools help us ensure that everything is functioning smoothly. It's like having a team of underwater guardians always on the lookout. But wait, there's more. Education plays a vital role in this transformation. We invite communities to come and learn about the importance of marine environments. It's not just a sanctuary for fish, it's a lesson in conservation for everyone. Workshops, guided tours, and interactive displays bring awareness to the importance of protecting our oceans. As the days go by, our once desolate sand patch becomes a bustling habitat filled with life and color. Fish swim in schools, crabs scuttle along the seafloor, and vibrant coral blooms all around. It's a testament to what can happen when we work together with nature. So, what started as a simple stretch of sand has blossomed into an aquatic wonderland. A sanctuary where life thrives and communities come together. It's a beautiful reminder that with a little effort, we can create homes not just for us, but for all the creatures of the sea. And there you have it. From sand to sanctuary, a journey of transformation that showcases the incredible power of innovation and nature working hand in hand. Who knew that such beauty could rise from something so ordinary? It's proof that with creativity and care, we can build not just homes, but havens for generations to come.